Okay, good morning. I'm going to present my self-introduction. It's really my honor to have this opportunity to share with you this year. I hope I can make a good performance this year in the English class with 7th grades. Now I will introduce myself briefly. My name is Inuri Basto. I am English teacher since 2004. I have worked in different public schools in Bogota and Cundinamarca. I came to the Technical Industrial School in 2011. I am very happy to be here. I am married. I have two sons, Emmanuel Jose and Maria Fernanda. My husband name is Jose Ivan Calderon. My objective as a teacher this year is motivate all my students to appreciate and understand the importance of English in our lives, because learn English today is very important to have better opportunities for the future. So I like to encourage the students to express the abilities verbally and through writing. Also, I would like to motivate my students to build confidence in themselves and making remarkable achievements in English learning. According to my skills, I consider that all qualified teachers need these factors to be excellent teacher, and these abilities could be a passion for teaching, concern for students, passion, tolerance, outstanding knowledge, perfectionism, sense of responsibility, dedication to the students, respectful is very important. I want to share with you all about my leisure time. I like cooking. In family, I consider that I am good at cooking different styles of dishes. I prefer to eat at home rather than in a restaurant. I enjoy many activities in family. It's better. I like to go to the supermarket or market with my husband to buy different ingredients or products that I need to cooking together. I consider that cooking is something couples or families can do together. Also, I like going to museums, read, travel, know different places, always in family. I like to learn many things every day. I hope to have an excellent year with you. Welcome to my English class. I hope won't let you down. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.